Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the App Store and installing Zoom. Sign in using email, Google, or Apple ID so your meetings sync. Once installed, tap the app and grant camera and microphone access. Zoom won't work without those permissions. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and your iPad has sufficient battery. A wired charger helps during long calls. Now tap Join or New Meeting to start. This gets you into the app interface and ready for the next steps. Once you're in the Zoom app, choose Join with a meeting ID or tap New Meeting to start your own session. Entering the ID or link is the fastest route. Make sure to toggle your camera and microphone as needed, and select the iPad speaker or Bluetooth headphones for clearer audio. Test audio with the test speaker/microphone option so others can hear you. While live, use the chat for messages, reactions for quick feedback, and switch between gallery and speaker view to focus on participants. To present, tap Share Content and choose Screen, a file, or a photo. Follow the iPad prompts to start screen sharing. During the session, manage participants with mute all or make someone co-host if needed. When finished, tap Leave or End Meeting and confirm your choice. If audio, video, or connection problems happen, restart the Zoom app, verify camera/mic permissions in settings, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. These steps fix most issues quickly. If problems persist, reboot the iPad before rejoining the meeting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.